There's an amazing, I can't work like that. I can't block the wind. All right, we're gonna have to deal with a little wind. There is an amazing sunrise getting ready to happen. And there's nobody out. Nobody wants to sit on their balcony and watch it. Nobody wants to come down here. I'm telling you, it's because they eat too late. Right, let's sit over here. Oh, hello, good morning from the massage table hut here at the hotel. I'm just trying to block the wind. I'm also doing a quick experiment with this camera. I know, this one fell off the scooter yesterday. It's funny, when it fell off, I really didn't care because my vacation's over. I know that it's covered. This was so bad last time. If they could repair this camera of what happened last year, then the short in the screen, that would be fine. In fact, it's working right now, Tony, so quit talking about it. It's very cold out. I took my clothes to laundry services, right, to have them done. Well, in there is my long sleeve. Checkout time is at 12. My ferry is 12 hours later. It's like at midnight. Yeah. So they said I can use the facilities and the spa shower downstairs till 7. What's the point of this rambling on? I don't have clothing. I don't have clothing to ride around in morning air. I know. But listen, the birds are singing and the sun is rising and this camera is still working, so we're doing pretty good here. So I just made a post. It's amazing to me when I'm the only one out here for a spectacular sunrise. But it gave me the option of putting a temperature, and now I know it's 73 degrees, and that's why my bones are shaking. I don't like anything below 80. Good morning. Listen, you were so accommodating, and that cake was delicious. It wasn't the same cake, but it was really good.
Thank you. At least you enjoyed.
I enjoyed it very much so, and you made that possible.
Thank you.
Breakfast is what time? 8?
7:30. No. In a short while.
Ooh, thank you. Have the best breakfast here. Adrena Beach in Skopelos. So that's a good one too. I was very relaxed eating my food, and I came up with, oh my goodness, just a revelation that I'm being kicked out of this room at 12 p.m. My ferry is 12 midnight. It's 12 hours. It was a good script. It was an abbreviated one, but it was a good script. 23:55 midnight. Arrival time, 8 in the morning. 8 in the morning. Mr. Hayden is getting a first class, 1-bed outside cabin. Yeah. I'm sleeping. I'm resting, sleeping, or working all the way home. Yeah. But there's just a dilemma about today. Sun. It's just too cold for me. It's 73, but the wind. Come on, coffee, clothes, and cost. I just sat with a couple from England who watched the vlog, right? I make that dazed face because I always assume nobody watches. I don't have the biggest subscriber, and they were very kind. They were very kind. It's nice. And what I liked hearing the most is they appreciate the amount of work that goes into this. Thank you. It actually, this thing does not film itself. Let's get our clothes.
All right. I am clean again.
All right, good day. Thank you. Antonio. They wrote Antonio.
Okay, I'll take that.
Here comes Antonio. My new channel. Here comes Antonio.
Okay. Hey, what time is that coming back? When do you need it?
I got my clothes. I finished packing. I got my coffee. I'm now energized to pack, and I can have this till 7 when they're gonna throw me out of the hotel. Let's go back. Okay. Now I can put the pieces together. You know, this is not the first time. I don't know what cleaning supplies they use here or what laundry detergent. I love it. There are sometimes I feel bad when I launder the clothes again at home and use my poison, but I just want them to smell this way forever. Remember I had some crazy... Look at this. It looks better than when I bought it. It was never this white. That red rock sulfur, whatever it was. Oh my God, look at this. Actually makes me look tan. I don't know. I have to take this all downstairs. They're gonna hold this. And yeah, I'm having motivational second thoughts, and that is, look where I am. How do we not have another drone flight? I got the drone, I've got batteries. I would have done anything last year if to have it not crash in the water to do another flight. I now have that opportunity right now, and I want to go rest at the pool. I don't know how to do that. I'm going home. I'm going home. It's been 2+ weeks. Yeah. I didn't know how this was gonna end. I started off today wondering about the logistics of how long do I have the rental? I'm being thrown out of here. What am I gonna do? What do I do with all this equipment? Anyway, it worked out just fine. I have till 7 p.m. It's 6. I'm gonna drive myself back. The ferry is at midnight. I have plenty of time, but I'm gonna go to the port and just perch. Listen, we're in here because I want to point one thing out. Financially, mentally, physically, I couldn't take any more vacation. It is time to go home. But these shoes, which I've mentioned before, they can't take another day. These were brand new. So I'm gonna get all dressed up to go on the plane, and I'm gonna have some bum shoes on, y'all. All right, you ready? Let's go for a ride.